Game is more prominent to move. And hey, what is up everybody? And today on the channel we are switching gears a little bit more, and we're going to start getting more and more into the hunting section of the channel, because everybody knows my motto: driving trucks and hunting bucks is how I roll. So today we're going to set up a game camera. We're here on a property that I'm able to hunt. This is my first time hunting this property, so in order for me to know what's going on up here, we did trim back some of the field a little bit. This is an overgrown field of probably about 50 years. This property hasn't been hunted or used, so we're fortunate enough to be able to acquire this and be able to start working it more. So, but in order for me to figure out what is up here, and without extensive walking and getting to really know the property, that comes with time. So for now, what I did do is trim back a little the upper end of the field along the tree line here, as you can see, and I'm going to set up a game camera, and the bugs are somewhat bad. So, and I'm going to show you on how to do that. So once you get your game camera, you will preset it at home. I always preset my cameras at home, make sure the batteries are good and everything else like that. And this is a stealth cam. This is an older model, and all you do is preset it, but I'm not going to turn it on. So all I'm going to do is latch one latch on the side here, and I do have a lock and a cable. The new ones use the Python locks. So all I'm going to do is set this up around the tree, like so, and then we'll go over the height level and why I position it where I did on the tree. So once you get it wrapped around the tree, and then all you're going to do is strap it to the tree with the strap that's provided for you in your camera. And what I like to do is position it and hip level. In between my hip and my chest is where I like to set it, and depending on the ground terrain. So once I have it set, and then if the tree's crooked, you could always put a stick behind here to level it off, or to point it in bring it either way you want. So once I have it set here like this, I'll sit where I like it, and I may put a stick behind here, but that looks pretty good to me. And that's all there is to it. And all you got to do is just turn it on, and then you'll put your lock on it so that nobody steals it or steals your card out of there. And always make sure you always put your card in it. And here's the Wicked Fabs hunting tip of the day. When you're setting your game camera, always try and set your game camera from north to south, because we all know the sun rises from the east, sets in the west. So if your camera's facing the east or the west, either at the beginning of the day or the end of the day, you're going to get overexposures in your pictures. So that's why I always try and set my cameras north to south. And if you're not sure about where north to south is, just get a compass. Use your phone. Your phone you could probably download an app that has a compass on it. Use that, and then you'll find out where you need to set your camera. Well, I'm going to finish this up and get this all buttoned up and get it set. So I hope this helps you guys out in your pre-season hunting. And I'm Joe. Driving trucks and hunting bucks is how I roll with Wicked Fabs.